11th CNC Expo 2023 co-located events, Cablenet Expovision and broadcast content show. Platinum sponsor T-Fiber, Diamond sponsor Claron Fiber Optics Private Limited, Gold sponsors Pioneer Digital TV and etvwin, Silver sponsor SSC BPL, Associate sponsors Cyrotech, GTPL and Green TV.
అలాగే డైమండ్ స్పాన్సర్గా క్లారాన్ ఫైబర్ ఆప్టిక్స్, గోల్డ్ స్పాన్సర్గా పైనీర్ డిజిటల్ టీవీ, ఈటీవీ, అలాగే సిల్వర్ స్పాన్సర్గా ఎస్ఎస్సి బీపీఎల్, అసోసియేట్ స్పాన్సర్గా జీటీపీఎల్, ఈమ్ టీవీ, సైరోటెక్ నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. దాదాపుగా 200 స్టాల్స్ పైగా నిర్వహిస్తున్నాము. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ అయితే 30,000 మంది పైగా కేబుల్ ఆపరేటర్లు, ఎంఎస్ఓలు, ఇంటర్నెట్ సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్లు వీరందరూ ఇచ్చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు కూడా దాదాపు 40,000 పైనే వస్తారని అంచనా వేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ దీనికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే ఈ బ్రాడ్బ్యాండ్, ఎఫ్టీటీస్ దీనికి సంబంధించి సెమినార్లు జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి దేశం నలుమూలల నుంచి అందరు కేబుల్ ఆపరేటర్లు, ఎంఎస్ఓలు, ఇంటర్నెట్ సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్లు అందరూ ఇచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ జరిగే విధానాన్ని, ఇక్కడ జరిగే సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానాన్ని తెలుసుకోవాలని కోరుతున్నాం.
ఈ రోజున హైదరాబాద్ నగరంలో 11th CNC Expo కేబుల్ ఆపరేటర్స్కి, కేబుల్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉండేటువంటి వారందరికీ కూడా ఒక మంచి గొప్ప అవకాశం. టెక్నాలజీ లేటెస్ట్గా వచ్చేటువంటి దానిని ఆకలింపు చేసుకోవడానికి, అదేవిధంగా దాన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి ఈ ఎక్స్పో ముఖ్యంగా అందరికీ పనికొచ్చేటువంటిది. దీన్ని నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి రాము గారు వారికి ముఖ్యంగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేయాలి. మొట్టమొదటి కూడా ఎక్స్పోకి సంబంధించి నేను రావడం జరిగింది. 11th దానికి మరలా దీనికి వచ్చి ప్రారంభించడానికి అవకాశం కల్పించినందుకు వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, ముఖ్యంగా ఈ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉండేటువంటి వేలాది మంది, అంటే తెలుగు 2 రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఉండేటువంటి వేలాది మంది ఆపరేటర్లకి ఒక గొప్ప వరంగా పనికొచ్చేటువంటి దీనికి సంబంధించి లేటెస్ట్గా వచ్చినటువంటి అన్నీ కూడా ఇక్కడ చూపించడం అనేటువంటి జరిగింది. గతంలో కట్ అయితే కనుక 1-2 రోజులు పట్టేటువంటిది దాన్ని రెక్టిఫై చేయడానికి. కానీ ఇవాళ ఎక్కడ కట్ అయింది వైరు అనేటువంటిది ఆఫీస్లోనే కూర్చొని చూసేటువంటి పద్ధతిలో కూడా అంత టెక్నాలజీ ముందుకు రావడం అనేది జరిగింది. ఆప్టిక్ ఫైబర్కి ముఖ్యంగా ఇచ్చేటువంటి ప్రాధాన్యత, అదేవిధంగా దాని నుంచి వచ్చేటువంటి మిషనరీ, దీనికి వచ్చేటువంటి అన్నీ కూడా గొప్ప అవకాశాన్ని కలుగజేస్తున్నటువంటి నిర్వాహకులకి, రాము గారికి, వారి యొక్క మిత్ర బృందం అందరికీ కూడా ఈ ఎక్స్పో తరఫున అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, దీన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాల్సిందిగా ఈ 2 రాష్ట్రాలు, అదేవిధంగా దేశంలో ఉండేటువంటి వారందరినీ కూడా, ఆపరేటర్లందరినీ కూడా సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
Yeah, actually, this is very much useful for service providers and OEMs, especially who are coming from rural area, because a lot of these LCOs, cable operators, they operate in rural area. They don't know what are the products available in the market. Actually, I am very much thankful to our CNC for organizing this every year.
Hi, we Claron Fiber Optics are very much happy with the response we got in CNC Expo 2003 for the 11th edition, and we have participated here from the last year also. We got a very good mileage this year and very happy. Customers' response is good. The crowd is pretty good today, and we expect very good business from this exhibition.
So it is like last year for sure, and this year Ramugaru probably, again he has improvised some more. It is like last year it was everything manual. That is the distinguished difference from last year to this year is last year it was manual. This year he tried to make everything online. It's like kind of we are going ahead towards automation. Probably he thought through that. He has got lots of experience now moving here and there, visiting all those expos even abroad. I know that he is going. He's putting his huge effort to make it very successful. So certainly that is a fantastic experience altogether this year actually. Yeah.
And how about customers' response and all?
Customer response yesterday probably because of the weekdays. Probably that's the reason. Yesterday was a little less, but today we have got good footfalls. Yeah, it was good actually, and first up it was very good. And now probably again he is giving a good party every now and then, and every second day probably people are eager to attend that. So that's the reason probably now it is around 5 o'clock, right? So probably now people started moving towards that. But overall it's good. It's very good actually.
రెస్పాన్స్ చాలా బాగుందండి. యాక్చువల్గా డ్యూరింగ్ కోవిడ్ డేస్లో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 3-4 ఇయర్స్ ఇట్లాంటి ఈవెంట్స్ కానీ లేటెస్ట్ టెక్నాలజీ మీద అప్డేషన్ ఏంటి అనేది ఎవరికి కొంచెం అవేర్నెస్ లేదు. సో ఆఫ్టర్ కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ సెకండ్ ఈవెంట్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. సో దట్ బ్రాడ్బ్యాండ్ ఆపరేటర్లు కానీ మన కేబుల్ ఆపరేటర్లు కానీ లేటెస్ట్ ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ ఏంటి, ప్లస్ కొత్త టెక్నాలజీ అప్డేషన్ ఏ విధంగా అవుతుంది అనే దాని మీద చాలా బాగా రెస్పాన్స్ ఉంది. అందరూ వెరీ మచ్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్.
It was very good. As we are first time we have kept the stall in the CNC. Since many years we are trying to keep, but this is the first time where SSC BPL has been with the CNC. As Ramu is also one of our operator. Previously we had a good relation with him. We also encouraging the CNC to come behind the limits and encourage every cable and broadband operators. This should be continued very well. We are very happy with the CNC group.
Expo is good. It's my first experience because I'm first time come here in the Hyderabad, and many expo I just saw. CNC is really good, and morning to till evening, we are very busy.
లాస్ట్ 8 years 9 years ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ కూడా మేము ఇక్కడ స్టాల్ పెట్టడం జరుగుతుంది. బట్ ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్గా లుక్కే మారిపోయింది. అంతా కస్టమైజ్ చేసిన స్టాల్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చినాయి, ప్లస్ అన్ని ఏరియాల నుంచి రావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇదంతా కొత్త ఫార్మెట్, కేబుల్ నుంచి నెట్కే షిఫ్ట్ అవుతున్నారు. ఈ ఓటీటీ స్టాల్స్ కూడా బాగా ఎక్కువ పెరిగినాయి.
జీటీపీఎల్ గత 4 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఎక్స్పోలో పాల్గొంటున్నది. రాము గారు నాకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 25 years నుంచి పరిచయము. సిఎన్సీ గ్రూప్ స్థాపించినప్పుడు నాకు సిఎన్సీ గురించి ఐడియా ఉంది. సిఎన్సీ గత 11 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి చాలా బాగా చేస్తుంది, సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా చేస్తుంది. గత సంవత్సరం కంటే ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా ఇంకా చాలా రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చింది. చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా చేస్తున్నందుకు సిఎన్సీకి శుభాకాంక్షలు.
How about customers' response and all?
Excellent response. Normally customers' expectations have increased, and earlier it was only cable TV, then it has come to broadband, now it is coming to OTT, now the things of IoT are coming. So as per the expectations, people are participating and people are enjoying.
So we are from CNC. We want feedback about this expo.
See, it's really very good because a lot of new customers are coming this year. What we have felt, because last day was little lazy. I mean, a lot of customers were not there, but today we have seen a lot of customers coming in. So we find that yes, it's happening good, going good. So hopefully we are expecting tomorrow lot of more new customers will going to come up.
So it's a good expo related to our product as a playbox. So we are working with LCOs and ISPs of Pan India. So the crowd has been good, even the management has been good. So the crowd has been good for us and we will get the business as well. So every time as compared to Delhi or some other exhibition on Hyderabad Expo, it is good as compared to some other.
Really, everywhere, every year, it is really making more and more excitement because of the event right now. With more and more technology as well as more and more stalls and more people also. So everywhere is a new technology is introduced and people, the visitors are also really satisfied and they are also, I think they are also getting more updated in the technology. That is the exact meaning, aim of this event, and really it is already completed. It is really aiming to the futuristic networks. Actually, our products are completely related with the networks only, fiber networks. So fiber is a technology with endless capabilities. So even though there is a new technology need to introduce to satisfy the future demands, that really customers are also responding. Wow, it's a really amazing response from customers.
Actually, from the beginning itself, I think it's almost 11 years for this exhibition, and we are participating since the beginning. And Ramu, I know he's a very hardworking guy, and since last 10 years that he's doing a lot of hard work behind this exhibition, and basically the environment he created. Especially yesterday was the holiday, even the so much crowd was there at that time also. But it's nice, very good. I believe this crowd is good, and overall presentation is good, and now the total overall atmosphere is good. Nice. It's very nice. So I believe the entire AP and Telangana, almost 50%, more than 51 people are here, and it's a good for a company like Sumitomo Japan, company like Divisor USA, company like Optronics. It's a great platform for us.
In one word, what you will say about this exhibition?
Excellent.
This exhibition, when I last visited Visakhapatnam and Chennai, after this, we saw that's a very huge hall with a good crowd here. And the exhibitors are very good, like crowd is very well. So also a good response we receive from here also, apart previous one. So that's very good for us. And we met so many people here with the ISP segments, MSOs and local cable operators. We connect so much here, like not the previous one, that's why. And about the whole exhibition part, it's very good because so many big brands are here coming. So we can connect with everyone.
Yeah, it's good. We have a lot of walk-ins. We have around some 200 plus walk-ins in last 2 days. So we have very good experience and exposure for this our brand and our OTT products.
Customer response and all.
Yeah, it's good only. We have very good walk-ins. Basically, it is for different products, but those who have interested in OTT, they come and experience, learn more about our product. It's good only.
And finally, one word about this expo.
We got our reach. What we are looking at.
It's very well maintained and well organized. It's really good, and I really love the facility what you have given. Small thing also, you guys are taking care. Even you are providing a water bottle, foods, and taking care of all amenities. So it's a really nice experience for us. So as of today, this is the one expo I feel very comfortable and really good. Today we have got a very good response. Till now we are recorded around 200 inquiries, which is really a lot for us. It's really value for money.
Expo chala bagundi sir. We are satisfied very well. Chala baga nadustundi, chala bagundi.
Yeah, we have kept it. We are from APSFL in entire state of Andhra Pradesh, which is located at entire district of, and in every 13 districts we are providing APSFL. We are the first invite here. We came first time here CNC EXPO. We are very glad to say that very thank you for CNC Group and gratefulness to everyone who are participated. Persons will come to attract their business, to develop the business and everything. We have got very good appreciation from among those. Yeah, very thank you so much. More than I think for us for our stall only there are 1,500 to 2,000 persons around they came. We have circulated. They have issues get cleared among those for those business circulations. Yeah, thank you.
So, and finally, just to say one word about this expo.
Super, super, super.
So, like every year, this year has also been one of the most happening events, and today happens to be one of the best days that I have seen. And every year that we've been participating for the last 5 years, CNC has been growing by leaps and bounds. This time it has been done exclusively well. So wish you all the very best, and I hope you guys have a rocking time ahead also. Thank you very much.
एग्जीबिशन में ये नए एग्जीबिशन लगने से बार बार यहाँ पे काफ़ी लोग आते हैं और इसमें नई टेक्नोलॉजीज़ आती है जो कि पब्लिक के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है और जो बिजनेसमैन्स हैं उनके लिए भी काफ़ी सपोर्टिव रहता है। कस्टमर रिस्पॉन्स इज़ सो गुड क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो लोग आते हैं वो बहुत ही होप लेके आते हैं, तो उनकी होप फुलफिल होती है तो उनको अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे।
Yeah, it is very nice, no doubt. This is second time we are participating. And we are now this expo is exactly giving the exposure to all our operators as well as to the ISPs. We are reaching more and more direct contacts to the this operators, ISPs, LCOs, MSOs, and also not only that, other technical part of other industries also people have started coming here this time, and we have also started other products also here to show along with the CNC. So finally CNC slowly it is getting upgraded mostly into the technical part especially. Earlier we used to see same kind of things, but now a lot of multiple sections of things we are able to see here, and not only ISPs, it is very useful to everybody. Almost all the 11th year I congratulate Mr. Ramu Garu and as well as to the team of CNC, and apart from this the hospitality is also very fine, and everything was comparatively last year now you people have implemented this online system also, which is making very easy access to the entrance. So altogether we are very much happy, and we also comparatively last year we are seeing good response in terms of keeping here also. So finally thank you to Ramu Garu and as well as to the team of CNC, and I wish we have to celebrate 25th CNC Expo. We expecting the same thing. So we hope to see one more 10 years to continue like this. Thank you.
So basically we are doing it for the last 4 years. So I personally know Ramu Garu, and then we are doing an expo for all of the customers. So we increased a lot from day one, which we did in 2021, and till date we had a lot of customers regarding the CNC Expo and whatever the customers we get from CNC Expo, and the ultimate support from Ramu Garu and his team. So again the expo is very large, and then there are multiple cable and broadband operators and as well as the service operators and stuff. It is a very good expo which I recommend for each and every cable operator to come and explore their own details, like however they wanted to increase.
We are happy to be here participating in this expo. We have been participating for the last 4-5 years. So we are very happy that we are meeting all our cable operators, MSOs, all our friends here. So we could be able to demonstrate our products and all here. So we are getting a very good response, and definitely thanks to CNC for arranging this fabulous event here.
Basically, we participated, this is the first time, but we got a very huge response from the people. So people were come from other states also, like Maharashtra and other neighbor states like Karnataka, Chennai. The response was very good.
Excellent exhibition అండి. పర్టికులర్గా ఏంటంటే ముందు రాముకి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి. అన్డౌటెడ్గా చాలా మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ ఉంది. వీళ్ళు మాకు కస్టమర్స్ కూడా చాలా బ్రహ్మాండమైనటువంటి క్రౌడ్ ఉంది. పర్టికులర్గా నేను మిగతా ఇంకా ఏ ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో కూడా ఇంతమంది క్రౌడ్ని చూడలేదు. లాస్ట్ టైం కంటే కూడా ఈసారి క్రౌడ్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. అండ్ టుడే వీ హ్యాడ్ యూ సీ అవర్ స్టాల్ ఆల్సో, ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ క్రౌడెడ్ because of this exhibition thing only. Thank you.
And we are taking the good customers response from all south side, the Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh and Vizag, and we are taking the lower end and the high end. All type of customers are visited our booth. So compared to last year, this year is the better than the last year. The visitors are here booth. So supposed to this year we can get the good inquiry from this one.
Ma'am, the expo is very good, very fine, and today crowd is overloaded.
Even I thought that this 3 by 3 meter stall is there. Why not I choose that 9 by 9 meter stall? The crowd is very good and the exhibition is very good. The city is very good. I saw that this place is very nice. So overall response is very good.
అందరూ కూడా ఈ కేబుల్ ఆపరేటర్కి ఈ ఎక్స్పోకి విచ్చేయాలి. విచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ టెక్నాలజీ అప్డేట్స్లో ఏం జరుగుతూ ఉంది, ఎలా జరుగుతూ ఉంది, ఏ విధంగా ముందుకు వెళ్తూ ఉన్నారు కేబుల్ ఆపరేటరు, ఏ విధంగా టెక్నాలజీలో ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలనేది పూర్తి అవగాహన చేసుకునే విధానికి ఇన్ని స్టాల్స్ మీద ఇంటర్నెట్ కానీ ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్లో కానీ ఒక కేబుల్ టీవీలోనే కనుమరుగవుతూ ఉన్నాడు కాదు. కాబట్టి ఈ కేబుల్ ఎక్స్పో ద్వారా కొత్త టెక్నాలజీలో కూడా అడుగు పెట్టడానికి ఇది చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. కస్టమర్స్ వెరీ హ్యూజ్ రెస్పాన్స్. Almost today, I think 20,000 customers came from different places.
Sir, finally, just to say one word about this expo.
It's very good. It's very good for future operators.
సో ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ సిఎన్సి కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు ఇయర్ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పో కండక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ ఎక్స్పోకి 2 స్టేట్స్ నుంచి జనాలు అంటే ప్రజలు బాగా వచ్చారు, కేబుల్ ఆపరేటర్లు ఎస్పెషల్లీ. లాస్ట్ 20 ఇయర్స్గా కేబుల్ టీవీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు అప్డేట్స్ జరుగుతూ కొత్త టెక్నాలజీ వస్తూ ఉంది. ఆ కొత్త టెక్నాలజీని ఆపరేటర్లకు పరిచయం చేయడానికి సిఎన్సి ఇనిషియేటివ్ తీసుకొని ఈ ఎక్స్పోని కండక్ట్ చేయడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. సో ఈ ఎక్స్పోలో ఇక్కడ మేము పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం వల్ల ఆపరేటర్లకు మేము చాలా దగ్గరగా రీచ్ అవుతున్నాము. మా సర్వీసెస్ని కూడా వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చెప్పడానికి చాలా వీలుగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ సిఎన్సి ఎక్స్పోను ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసిన రాము గారికి వి డిజిటల్ తరఫున అండ్ ఫైబ్రెక్స్ తరఫున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాం.
The expo is good, going good, and we have a lot of customers from this expo, ma'am.
How about customers' response and all?
Customer response is very good, ma'am. Actually, compared to last year, this year is very much more customers were.
Yeah, very nice expo, very well organized, neat and clean. Every 1 hour your cleaning staff is coming. And you are providing food also. I am very happy about your all organizing. Very good. And the customer response also very good.
Yeah, we are feeling very good. We have been participating from 5 years now, and it is good and it is growing more and more. So it is good for the digital technology which is coming in ISP and cable TV sector. So we are very much satisfied with that. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a good. We get the opportunity to explore the market. That we are in the market and what we are doing, they come to know. We are with the new brands, what are the future coming brands, they come to know. That's all.
How about customers' responses and all?
It's good. They are also coming to know what items have been forthcoming, items which are coming in the market, they come to know.
And finally, just say one word about this expo.
It's excellent. We are enjoying it with attraction with the customers.
I am Mrs. Mansukhani. We are a media partner of this exhibition by the name of Satellite Internet India. This magazine is coming in 3 languages, Hindi, English and Bengali. So we are just promoting this event, and this event is very good. I think we are getting very much response.
This expo is very good. We have put exhibition for the very first time, but we have a very good response and we are very happy. We would wait for next time when this be happen.
How about customers' response and all?
Customer response is good. We are liking that. They are liking our product. It's our opportunity to be here.
And finally, just say one word about this expo.
Just awesome.
Good. Thank you so much.
It's a very great feedback from my side. Lot of crowd and the purpose which we are into over here. We are a daily based organization. We have a branch in Koti also. So the purpose has been solved so far. And second day, it's it's very good turnaround, very good turn up so far. So it's very good feedback.
It's a great pleasure to be back here in Hyderabad. It's a real opportunity to connect with all the visitors, with a lot of questions, a lot of engagements. So it feels very warm, very good, very good. We have a booth here with a lot of products that we love to show. And visitors are coming and, like I said, asking questions, requesting demonstration, interacting with different type of products. So very good.
And about your company?
So Expo is a Canadian company built in 1985, and we are the experts in test and measurement solutions, also as analytics. So basically we cover our customers' needs when it comes to physical layer, but also to the upper layer to have quality networks.
And finally, just to say one word about this expo.
Oh, this expo, like to me, it's my first time in this CNC, so I will definitely come back. But like I said, great exposition, great exhibition, great attendance, great people.
So if I look at the overall arrangements and the way the structure has been created, that's really nice. However, if you ask me, the best thing that has been the way the staff and the team members have been responsive and supportive about possibly a query or a concern that I raise, there's something not working, small little bit things here and there. The way they have been supportive and the way they have been prompt, that's phenomenal. I really want to thank everyone from your team.
Very nice expo. Very operators are very interestedly asking questions and we giving a feedback. Interest to grow the business. The CNC Expo is a very excellent organization. So meet all operators and next level industry goes is support CNC.
We are Sunshine Electronics from Delhi. So we are the exhibitors over here and we enjoyed a lot because, so many people visit our stall and booth. So the good inquiries were there here and we accept that this CNC group is good going.
So we have got good response. So we have booked many orders. So basically our splicing machines have booked many. We have booked many orders now.
And how about customers' response and all?
Yeah, customers also, they are coming to know about the good models, all models they are coming to know. Their response is also good. So more people have come today.
And just say one word about this expo.
Excellent.
This expo has been arranged very well and all the exhibitors has thoroughly came to our stall and they have known about the new technology of our products also. And everyone has checked about our products and we also tell them all the technology related to our products and all. And we got also some good inquiries from the customers. The hard work of CNC Ramu we have seen all today. The crowd, the walk-ins are good and we are happy with this CNC Expo.
So this was good. CNC we have been supporting a lot and we have been supporting all the expos a lot. And let's hope tomorrow is also good and next year is better.
How about customers' response and all?
Customer response is good. They are loyal to our products and they are coming back for our products. So we hope that we maintain this loyalty towards customers and they come back to us and buy our products regularly.
We are from Hitex Telecom Private Limited. We are happy to participate in CNC Expo for this year. In fact, it has been a very enticing experience for us in our participating in this expo. The support from CNC group was very good, excellent. The arrangements made by those team and it has been very, very helpful to us. And we could see a lot of footfall this year, which has in fact gone up since last year. We hope so this will continue and we'll participating in the coming years also with CNC Expo. It has been very nice experience to us.
The expo, the response is very, very good and we get the response more than our expectations. And last time we have attended the other exhibition also, but this exhibition is very good in terms of response. And crowd is also very huge. There is great footfall and everything is fabulous. The food and network and all these amenities all are very great.
This is good actually. We did the branding for CNC and nice exposure. This is my first time but I got some exposure I guess. It's a startup business. Yeah, I liked it.
Exhibition is excellent. I come from Mumbai and I've had a great experience here. Last time I came here and it was so much good that I was forced to come here. And I'm very happy. All the best to CNC. They're doing a fantastic job. And a lot of people are coming in. And year by year it's increasing and they're all good technologies coming in. All the best to CNC. Customer response is very good and everybody is upgrading and the right products are coming in here So everything is positive, and we are all into the digital technologies, and our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, also wants us to succeed, and this is the best digital technology. We are providing equipment for 5G and all the other things. Again, due to CNC, this is a platform for us. So, again, all the best to them.
Yeah, I want to say that this expo is every time good, and I am coming from the first expo in this year. I have also joined, and I think that it is 11th, and I am from 11 years I am continuously exhibiting with this CNC Expo, and my experience every time is very marvelous, and this time is also very good, and hope for the future everything must be good. And even Ramu sir is very, very supportive, and he used to say that come, please come, like this, and we like his style also.
Hi sir, we are from CNC Group. We want feedback about this expo.
Yes, we are participating in this expo past from the 3 years. This is the 3rd year, and we are getting very good exposure here, and we see the footfall is also good. And past from, I am seeing that they are growing in the facilities also. I see this time they improve the login and other facilities for the exhibitors. This is very great because for the particular for the segment for the cable operators, it's the focus for those. So I like these exhibitions because this is the part where the not many expos are available in India. Only few expos are available. So I like these expos.
But the experience is good. The crowd was amazing. We got the amazing crowd who are really interested in the product. Not this, and this is our second time. Until now, it's going good.
Yeah, it's very nice. Ramu and his team are very effective. They are doing it in a very professional way, and year on year, it is giving a lot of value addition for the stall owners. So, and it is creating a lot of interactiveness and attachment with the right customers and consumers. So, it is very nice. His approach and the way he's conducting is very professional. So we are happy for that.
And how about customers' response on that?
Yeah, the customers' response is good. People are coming because every time the technology is changing. So Ramu is putting all his efforts to bring in technological companies so that they come, they explain their products. It is definitely a value addition for all the stakeholders in the business.
This is Akhil from K Computers, and we are the sales manager here. And I'm very excited to be here, and every person is very genuine and commenting. They are asking about their doubts, and we are clarifying about it, and we are getting the very nearby calls to me, and they are every person giving their very polite to me, and I'm very happy to hear.
Hi, this is Nikhil from Justnet Technology. I am coming second time in Hyderabad. Feedback about CNC is very good, and crowd are very good. Locally, many operators are coming. First they are little bit low, but today we arrange a good feedback from our customers, and also he is visit a stall. Approx 3 or more than 400 customers are today visit on my stall, so it's totally good, worth it.
Yeah, feedback is good actually. We found a decent crowd today. Hopefully we can maintain the same tomorrow. I don't know how your publicity is going on, but we are expecting similar crowd tomorrow also. But it's been good actually.
యాక్చువల్లీ మనం రైల్వేర్ స్టాల్ పెట్టాం మేడం. ఈ స్టాల్లో మనకి రైల్వేర్ గురించి మన రైల్వేర్ ఇంటర్నెట్ గురించి ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కండక్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో దాంతోపాటు ఐపీటీవీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కూడా మనం రైల్వేర్లో ఇస్తున్నాము. సిఎన్సీ వేరేస్ కమ్స్ టు సిఎన్సీకి వచ్చేసేసరికి వీళ్ళ ఆర్గనైజింగ్ చాలా బాగుంది. మేము చాలా సాటిస్ఫైడ్గా ఉన్నాము. సో మేము లుక్ ఫార్వర్డ్ వేరే ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో ఏదైనా కండక్ట్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ పెట్టేదానికి కూడా మేము ఆసక్తిగా ఉన్నాము. మేము చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాం సిఎన్సీ గ్రూప్కి.
మా కంపెనీ పేరు ఏపీ కేబుల్ టైమ్స్ మ్యాగజైన్, మంత్లీ మ్యాగజైన్. ఇది 97లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఇది ఎక్స్పో వచ్చి 11th CnC Expo పార్టిసిపేటింగ్ గుడ్.